a process in the conscious mind? Or is it simply neural activity of the right kind in the brain? If an animal is going to seek out the good and avoid the bad, then the animal is going to have to generate movement commands to its muscles to move toward the good and away from the bad. But the good and the bad are conscious experiences in the conscious mind. So the desire and the volition to seek and avoid must originate in the conscious mind. But the good and the bad are conscious experiences in the conscious mind. So the desire and the volition to seek and avoid must originate in the conscious mind. The brain does not experience the good or the bad, so it is not coherent to think that the desire or the volition to seek and avoid are rooted in the brain. The desire and the volition to seek and avoid must logically originate in the conscious mind. The conscious mind will experience desire to move toward the good or away from the bad. The intermind will detect these conscious desires and through conscious volition will generate the appropriate movements or execute the appropriate brain program to satisfy the conscious desires. Let us consider curiosity and the desire for knowledge. This desire is clearly a conscious experience in the conscious mind. The human brain cannot desire anything because the human brain is a physical thing, and desire happens as a conscious experience in a conscious mind. Since the human brain cannot have desires, we can conclude that it has no volition capability to satisfy desires. Clearly, volition is a purely conscious phenomenon that has to flow from the conscious mind back through the inner mind and to the brain. We can abstract this further and say that since the human brain cannot exercise volition, that it also has no free will. If there is any free will, it is in the conscious mind and not in the brain. Since we know that computers have no connections to a conscious mind, it is obvious that there are no volition inputs to computers as they are constructed today. Without consciousness, there is no volition.